Hello everyone, for today's video is how to activate TikTok Pay Later. Okay, ang una po natin gagawin ay i-open po natin ang ating TikTok application. And then, dito po sa baba ay itap po natin tong shop. Sa taas, may makikita po tayong orders, vouchers, messages, bonus, pay later, and so on. Okay? Kung lagi po kayong bumibili dito sa TikTok, ay automatic po nalalabas to. Okay, itap na po natin tong pay later. Okay, dito daw po sa TikTok Pay Later, no down payment and pay within 45 days, up to 12 installment, and fast approval. Okay, and pwede natin i-activate ang ating TikTok Pay Later in 2 steps. First is to verify your phone number and the second is add your information. Okay, itap na po natin tong check my credit limit. Then, maglagay po tayo dito ng ating cellphone number. Okay? And make sure po na ang inyo pong cellphone number ay active. Kasi may code po na kailangan nating tanggapin dito po sa ilalagay po natin na phone or cellphone number. Okay? Maglagay na po tayo ng cellphone number. Then, itap na natin tong next. Okay guys, may matatanggap po tayong code and ito po ay sent via SMS. Okay? Kunin po natin yon at ilagay po natin dito yung code na natanggap natin. Okay, then click natin tong continue. And maglagay po tayo dito ng 6-digit payment PIN. Okay? Then, i-confirm po natin yung nilagay natin kaninang PIN. Then, click natin tong next. Okay, so ayan po guys. So, na-verified na po ang ating phone number. Okay, next po is add your information. Tap natin tong continue. Okay, so ito po pala guys yung mga ID type. Pwede po dito yung PhilSys ID, PRC ID, driver's license, passport, UMID, TIN ID, postal ID, and SSS ID. Piliin po natin dito yung ID na gagamitin natin. So, halimbawa po, ang gagamitin natin ay PhilSys ID. So, i-click po natin yan. And then, tap Continue. Okay, then kunin nyo na po ang inyong ID. And then, kailangan po natin itong i-capture front and back of the ID. So, hindi po natin pwedeng i-crop. Kailangan hindi blur and no glare. Then, i-click na po natin tong next. Take a photo of your identity card. Okay, our ID details have been added automatically. Scroll lang po natin pababa and maglagay po tayo dito ng ating first name, middle name. Ito po ay optional. Pwede nyo pong lagyan, pwede naman po hindi. And then your last name, your date of birth, your gender, if you're male or female, ang inyong marriage status, kung kayo po ay single or married, and then yung inyo pong residential address. Okay, so dito po ay automatic po na pumasok after po na mag-capture po ako ng aking ID. Okay, and yung nationality is Filipino. Okay, and dito po pala guys sa date of birth, just click this arrow. Okay, so halimbawa po yung day ay 22. Okay, so dito po guys yung day, month, and year. Okay, kung okay na po yung inyong birth of date, i-click nyo na po itong done. Okay, same po dito sa marriage status. Click nyo lang po yung arrow and mamimili po kayo dito if you're single, married with children, married without children, separated, or widowed. Okay, then i-double check nyo lang po yung inyong mga inilagay and then i-click nyo na po itong continue. Okay, then dito guys, confirm your details. Make sure your details are correct, and if you want to change your ID document, pwede po kayong bumalik sa previous page and mag-upload po kayo ng new one. Okay? Kung okay naman po, ay i-click na po natin tong confirm. Okay, dito guys, alisin niyo po ang inyong sunglasses. Then, take off your hat and don't get too dark. Okay, so ito po yung tama na take the right photo. Ito pong yan, nauuna. Click na po natin tong start verification. Okay, so tapos na po tayo mag-selfie and additional information required. Okay, click natin tong continue. Okay, then maglagay po tayo dito ng ating email address, education level, credit cards, occupation, monthly income, pay period. Okay, then dito guys, ay maglagay po kayo ng inyong email, then yung inyong educational level, pipili lang po kayo dito kung kayo po ay no formal education, elementary, high school, bachelor's, master, or doctorate. And dito naman po sa credit cards held, click po natin tong arrow and mamimili po kayo dito kung ilan po ang inyong credit cards, okay? Then, yung inyong occupation. Okay, pili po kayo dito ng inyong occupation. Okay, so bahala na po kayo guys mag-fill out ng inyong mga detalye, okay? Then, dito yung emergency contacts. Then, dito po guys ay mag-select po kayo ng repayment due date. 21st, 15th, and 25th. Okay, kung ito po yung pinili nyong 15, any purchases made in the last 14 days will be scheduled for repayment in the next month. Okay? Then, kapag nakapili na po kayo guys, ay i-click nyo na po itong continue. Okay, then dito po ay reviewing credit. Ay matatanggap po tayong message sa ating inbox once na na-confirm na po ang result ng ating credit review. Okay, may matatanggap po kayo agad na message. So, within 24 hours po sa inyong TikTok shop. Okay, if na-approve na po kayo guys, ang inyong TikTok Pay Later ay magkakaroon ng credit limit. Kagaya po nito, I have 8,000 credit limit. And now allows me to make purchases on TikTok Shop and pay in installment or at a later date. Okay, so ganito lang po guys mag-activate ng TikTok Pay Later. Okay guys, I hope na natulungan kayo nitong video. At kung natulungan po kayo, please leave like and don't forget to subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, thank you for watching.